What's up, squids? We're back with another pointless video. Today we might be on one of the fastest stock pit bikes that I have ever rode. And this bike is the Qronge X1 Spark. Literally coming in under $1,200 with a top speed of 50 miles an hour. Also has absolutely insane torque, so you already know wheelies are gonna be off the chain. It has a 12 and a 14 front and rear tire like most mini e-bikes. Some stock equipped with a 60 volt, 28 amp hour battery. Good old hydraulic brakes like we all love and need. Blinkers, a brake light, and a super good display and a headlight. But y'all know how I roll on my channel. Let's just go ahead and get straight to the riding. All right, now we're here to the fun stuff. Let's get riding this bike. And I mean, first off, right off the rip, it doesn't look bad. It looks like a little mini e-bike or like a legit dirt pit bike. Ooh, a vape. Come on, guys, say no to vaping. Just like Queso says, El Smoker. Gosh, the torque on this is insane. This might be one of the funnest, kind of sketchiest bikes I own. And when I say sketchy, I'm not talking about like build quality or anything like that. I'm talking about just the sheer amount of power it has being so light. This dog always be out here. This is my op. Now, to be fair, with this one, it's still cold as crap out here, by the way. 16 degrees. I'm just out here trying to get videos out. I enjoy what I do. It's super fun. And guys, if you do want to support me, which is the main reason I get these affiliate links, if you want to buy this, you can use my bio and use my link tree. And I think you can use either code SQUID or SQUIDSTEP to get some more money off. And this is actually a really good price point. I think like around $1,100. As you can see, I'm almost 1 mile in. So this is my first ride. Let's just see what it's about. As we all know, I got to do the original speed test. So first and foremost, I still got all the brake sensors and all that on. But we're going to start in mode 1, 0 miles an hour, see what the top speed in mode 1 is. Ready, go. Dude, the torque in mode 1 beats most competitors, and then it just drops off at the limit. It looks like 27, guys. 27 miles an hour. Boy, did it get there fast, though. I forget what it says on the website, but mode 1 and 2, I think, are pretty freaking similar, but we're about to check. All right, mode 2. Let me try not to pop a wheelie and re-break my wrist. Ready, go. It is so cold. 43! Oh my goodness, this thing's nuts. That's mode 2, by the way. 48. Now, we all know the speedometers aren't always like insanely accurate. I'd say 48. We're probably looking at 43, somewhere around there if I were to take a guess. And I'm not mad about that at all, especially for a $1,100 pit bike. Pit, mini bike, e-bike, whatever you want to call it. All right, now here we go with mode 3. I'm actually kind of scared because this thing tries to jump, guys. I ain't gonna lie. And by the way, first downside, actually the same downside as my last review. It's only a half twist throttle. I'm sure it's probably an easy switch out, a little switcheroo, but I do wish it was a full twist throttle. So Qronge, if y'all want to link me to a little full twist throttle. All right, here we go, mode 3. All right, that thing just takes off, bro. It tries to pull you out the seat. God, it's cold. Woo, it's a little sketchy going this fast on this little thing. Jeez. I'm on the curb, I gotta chill. Oh my goodness, I think that said 63. Now let's be real, I ain't got a GPS and my phone is actually not with me right now. So I can't clarify that that's real, like extremely accurate or whatnot. But I will say it felt pretty freaking fast and it got there real quick. Another downside, which is not really anything effective, it is pretty loud, just like the Yasma and the Tudio. I think it's just these mini e-bikes, dude. I don't know what it is about them, but they're just like noisy. All right, while we're in this area, we'll actually go ahead and do the wheelie test. I'm not even gonna lie, dude. I think I'm gonna do the wheelie test in mode 1 because I'm kind of scared to do it in 3. So let's try mode 1. All right, here we go, wheelie test. Mode 1 on the X1 Spark. Oh my gosh, hold on. I did not expect mode 1 to have that much power. It about just put me on my cheeks. All right, let me get a little roll then. A little 15 miles an hour. Oh man, it pops easy. Okay, that's crazy. I wish it had a full twist. I don't feel real confident in the half twist doing wheelies, because y'all know I'm still learning wheelies and stuff anyways. Dude, that's crazy. It pops at like 15, 16 miles an hour in mode 1 easy. Let's go mode 2. Let's try mode 2. I'm at 30 miles an hour. I'm gonna hit the brakes a little. Oh my gosh, it still pops right up. That's insane. By the way, YouTube, closed road, closed road. Mode 3, let's try this out. Y'all ain't gonna see any real good wheelies out of me if you watch my channel. I'm trying to learn, okay? At mode 3, look at this, 30 miles an hour. Still pops right up. I didn't even give it a big pop. 25. Oh man, it's crazy. Woo, that's awesome. This thing, you could, oh my gosh. Full twist throttle, take the brake sensors off. Probably one of the best wheelie bikes besides the Yasma. That might be the 2 best wheelie bikes, especially for someone trying to learn. But if you're trying to learn, stay in mode 1 on this, please, for the sake of your health. In my last review video, I had to skip this little test, because it was freaking just, I don't know, it was just cold. It was like 14 in it, so I am barely out here today. But this thing's got so much power, I want to do what we do on most reviews, which is the hill climb test. There's so much crap just smacking my legs. Do not let this freaking GoPro effect fool you. I'm going down this super slow because this is insanely steep. I mean, it's like freaking, like 85-degree angle. Like, I'm holding the brakes right now and my back tire's just sliding. Like, this hill is no joke. This hill wouldn't be a joke for dirt bikes, let alone mini e-bikes. These woods are deep, and these are like 20 minutes from the house, so I'm kind of scared. What if there is a bear? Let me turn this around. Here's the hill. I don't know if you can really tell the freaking steepness of it, but if you look over there, maybe you can. It is insanely just, but we're gonna try the old X1 Spark $1,100 e-bike hill climb test. Here we go. Here we go. Dude, I ain't gonna lie, I cannot feel my fingers. Ready, set, go. Oh my gosh, I gotta slow down. Oh my gosh, it's killing it. All right, here we go. Here's the big hill. I'll actually give it some. Oh my goodness, it's zooming. This ain't even right, bruh. 20 miles an hour. Hasn't lost pep in its step. I just let completely off the throttle. Got right back on it. Nah, this is crazy. Oh my goodness. If y'all get this bike, y'all gotta be careful though. I mean, it is insane. Guys, if you do get the X1, please be careful. This thing is a beast. All right, so this is kind of a new segment, but let's do a brake test. Mode 3, we're gonna get up to a little bit of speed and just try to stop. Go. All right, 30, that's good. Oh yeah, both brakes lock up, like, oh yeah. I don't know, man, this bike is like, look at that torque though, that's insane. Dude, I got sticks and everything under here, but it's just eating through all of it. I'm not gonna lie, on a scale of a mini e-bike, 1 out of 10, this might be a freaking 10. Qronge, y'all knew what y'all was doing with this, all besides this half twist throttle. I like the fact that you got a little key action. I like that you got this little button to power on and off the battery, as well as charge your battery right there. And this little red button is where you change your modes. You got 1, 2, and as you can see, I'm on 3. And you got your battery display. But guys, I'm not even kidding. Y'all gotta check this bike out. I mean, do some more research, watch some more videos. It's not a scam, I'm not even gonna lie. I was kind of scared. I thought this was low-key a scam. Like, it looked too good to be true. It was like $1,000. Advertising 50 miles an hour, 60-volt battery, and just all sorts of things like that. And I was like, I don't know, it kind of looks like one of them sketchy websites. But dude, I got this thing quick. They shipped it out quick. I'm telling you, if they're in stock, this is the time to get this X1 Spark. And like I said, if you do want to support me, because I want to review all these bikes and just make a lot of fun videos, especially when it starts getting warmer, because it is 16 degrees. I'm wrapping this video up kind of quick, but it's because I can't feel my freaking hands, dude. And I don't really have any cold weather gear, like look at me. If you do want to support me though, just check out the bio in my link tree. This thing absolutely eats, and you can definitely save some more money and support your favorite creator. I'll put my code in the bio as well. I appreciate y'all. Peace and love, squids. I know I didn't get to be funny as much this time, but I'm genuinely cold.